Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Deutsche Börse Group Review My Usage Experience. Deutsche Börse Group Review My Usage Experience offers access to comprehensive market data and analysis tools, primarily targeting financial professionals, investors, and traders. Its main purpose is to provide insightful information and analytics on various financial instruments and markets. Key features likely include real-time data feeds, charting tools, and analytical reports. Their website provides details on specific features and subscription options. Their website highlights the depth and breadth of their data offerings, emphasizing accuracy and reliability. Ease of use is a key selling point, although specific features are behind a paywall. Pricing transparency isn't explicitly mentioned but is likely available upon contacting their sales team. The technology leveraged extensive data aggregation and sophisticated analytical models. Availability is global, but access requires a subscription. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Deutsche Börse Group Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. After signing up and confirming my details, I had access to the platform immediately. Navigating the interface took a little getting used to. It's powerful but densely packed with information. I specifically used the charting tools to analyze the performance of a few stocks I was interested in. The charts were highly customizable and provided a wealth of data points. The real-time data feed was impressively fast and reliable, which is crucial for timely trading decisions. I had a quick question about a specific data point and their support responded within 2 business days via email, which was acceptable. I was really impressed by how customizable the dashboards are, allowing me to tailor the view to my specific needs. The standout feature for me was definitely the depth of historical data available. One minor drawback was the steep learning curve. It took me a while to fully grasp the potential of all the analytical tools. Another con is the lack of a mobile app, which would greatly improve accessibility. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Deutsche Börse Group Review My Usage Experience. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs, offering a powerful suite of tools for in-depth market analysis. That's my overview of Deutsche Börse Group Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.